Welcome to Season 3 of Then We Cross America. Join us every Monday as we travel through the Southwest, spending most of our time in Arizona, popping into Nevada for just a little bit, before headed back home to California. We are Scout, Teddy, Matt, and Michelle. While towing our little house behind us, we explore the diverse beauty and culture of the United States. So please come join us and... Good morning. We are here at the Hoover Dam. It's a little bit loud. We're in the parking garage. I don't know how much filming they're going to let me do at the Hoover Dam today, but we're going to try and get some footage.
Yeah.
We're going on the mid-level tour.
The power plant tour.
Yeah, there's a self-guided tour.
Yep.
A power plant tour and a big tour where you go in the dam.
I believe that's correct.
But we're not doing that one because that sounds a little bit frightening actually. Maybe it's because I've lived in California my whole life. I'm just imagining an earthquake while I'm inside that thing. We're about to go get our first view, real good view of the Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
If you don't know what the Hoover Dam is, it's the largest dam on Earth.
The largest dam in the United States. The largest reservoir in the United States.
All right, and it is...
it might be the biggest dam on Earth. I don't know.
I don't know. We'll find out on this tour, I guess.
Yeah.
And it was built in the 30s.
Yep.
So it's pretty impressive that it was built almost 90 years ago.
Yeah.
Yep. Just left Seven Magic Mountains, which is right outside Vegas. If you're headed, basically, if you're on the road between LA and Las Vegas, you're gonna see it, right?
Yeah, it's right on I-15. It's to the southern. It's on the southern side of the highway.
Yeah, and what it is it's 7 stacks of giant boulders.
Limestone.
Okay. Ranging from 3 to 6 boulders in the stack.
I think that's right.
Painted bright, some aren't bright, but lots of them are bright neon colors. Some of them are a little bit darker colors. And each rock is a different color, and they're all stacked on top of each other. It's definitely like a Instagram-y spot. People go there for the Instagram photos, and I'm not gonna lie, that's why we went there too. But it's crowded. There's a lot of people going around. There's people playing with little tiny rocks, recreating their own, which is kind of cool. And just kind of interesting place to see. The dogs got out. They were super sweet and good. Scout was a little bit of a bug. Teddy, though, I think Teddy might be getting a little bit of seasonal affective disorder or something. I don't know. What's he doing back there? He's just looking out the window. This happens to him every 6 months or so, where he just spends a month being kind of mopey and depressed. We're not sure what causes it. We've taken him to the vet for it before, and well, the thing is Teddy has a lot of vet anxiety and won't let the vet draw his blood, so we haven't been able to do a blood test, which is unfortunate, but he always comes out of it, so...
But he does weird things that indicate that he might have lost the feeling in his tongue.
Yeah, he'll lick the ground,
taste,
or...
the ability to taste, or something weird is going on.
Yeah, it's almost like his tongue goes numb for a few weeks and then comes back. I don't understand it. I don't get it. If you've ever heard of a weird phenomenon like that, let us know. But it comes along with a really good dog, which is it's unfortunate because we like that he's so well behaved, but we don't like that he's not feeling good.
Yeah, you can tell that he's not happy.
Yeah, it's like if we could have a happy dog who's also chilled out and good. But it is what it is. So he was really good. Scout was a little bit more of a mischievous girl. She's been like that the last few days.
She made a bunch of friends as always, though.
Yeah, she's a sweetheart.
She's a very social dog.
Yeah.
Especially with people.
Yeah, she doesn't care about dogs, but other people she's all about, especially if they're kids. So we enjoyed that. It was cool. It was a nice little quick stop.
Yep.
Just headed out of Vegas, and we are now headed towards Barstow, where we may or may not make it in time to see another Route 66 museum. We saw one last week, or yesterday for us, last week's episode. We went to one. So if we make it to this one, that's great. If we don't, that's fine. I think it closes at 4. So we'll see how it goes. It's 1 o'clock now. We might decide to just skip it, and we are going to the oldest Del Taco ever, or the oldest Del Taco still operating. So we're headed there.
Apparently, it was Del Taco number 2, but Del Taco number 1 closed.
Yeah. So we're headed there for a late lunch, early dinner type of situation in about 2 hours.
Probably more like a late lunch because we never had breakfast either.
Yeah.
So we'll probably want some dinner later.
Yeah, we're just grazing. So we're just gonna eat at Del Taco whenever we get there, sometime in mid to late afternoon. Talk to me.
So we're at the oldest operating Del Taco in Barstow, California.
Yeah, they're not the first, but the oldest.
Yeah. I think they were number 2, and then number 1 closed, so it's the oldest one. It's been around a long time. We were hoping to get, they had the other Del Tacos have a meat substitute. I forget if it's Beyond or Impossible. So I was kind of hoping to get that, but they didn't have that. So we asked the lady up front. They were very helpful. And we got some tacos and some fries.
We got the Barstow Tacos.
The Barstow Tacos.
Which I don't think they have elsewhere.
That's true.
Which seem to be just normal tacos.
With a slice of tomato on top.
Yeah. We've made it to Bakersfield. What?
The Field of Bakers.
We've made it to Bakersfield. I'm so tired right now. I can't even. What did we... Last time we talked, we were at Del Taco? Yes. We were at the oldest Del Taco.
With the freshest ingredients. Well, I don't want people to think that the tacos are old.
Oh. I'm so tired I can't even understand your bad jokes right now. Yeah, we're exhausted. We're in Bakersfield. We're going home tomorrow. This has been
exhausted.
You have too much energy. You just end the vlog.
So we are in Bakersfield. We made it over the Tehachapi Pass just fine.
No snow.
Well, on the shady side of the hills, but not on any of the roads. It was fine. We're in Bakersfield. We are in an RV park that we've stayed at a number of times. It's a convenient spot to stop when we're going from Southern California to Northern. So it gives us a good launching off point. It's almost exactly 6 hours from our house. So tomorrow will be an easy drive up Interstate 5.
Yeah, we've got a couple of stops that we will have in next week's video. Tonight, I think we're just going to call it a day. I'm really tired. We didn't do a ton today, but it was a long day for me.
We did a lot of driving. We did Hoover Dam.
Yeah, we did Hoover Dam this morning. That was pretty awesome.
Yeah, and then we did a lot of driving on top of that. So it's been kind of a long day.
Yeah, we just recorded our podcast, and it's kind of a long one. So if you want to hear more about our day, go over and check that out wherever you listen to podcasts. We are...
Then We Cross America.
The podcast! So you can go check that out wherever you listen to podcasts. And we're going to say goodnight for tonight. Bye.